So I'm back again with another Wi-Fi dongle review, except from this time. Let's see the details. This one is another 600 megabytes per second, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, USB dual Wi-Fi and AC for a laptop or for a PC. And you get it in this bag type thing. It is the exactly same thing as the one before. Let's have a look what we got. This one's a 600. Except from this one has an antenna on it. So now I would do a test, like a distance test, to see if the dongle, with the antenna goes a lot more distance, but I think they both kick the same power out, and I think the one with the antenna, you'll probably get an extra 3 or 4 meters, and you'll probably receive a lot better because it's actually an antenna. But I'm going to plug it in at the same distance that I've tested the other 3 Wi-Fi dongles and see what speed it gets. And I'll also link the previous 2 Wi-Fi dongles in the description. Right, let's try this. Right then, so we've got out of that dodgy bag, which sounds a bit like a piece of cheese. I haven't installed the drivers. As you can see, they're pretty similar. Anyway, let's plug it in. I never liked these type of things because they just, you could knock them and snap them. I suppose with this one you could extend the cable and extend on it. Wi-Fi's connected. Connected and secure. Right, so these 2 have got the same chipset. The exact same chipset. Focus. Yep. Okay. So they're the exact same. I think that one cost me $5.99 and that one cost me $5.99. Huh. So let's go for a speed test. Speedtest.net. Oh, I don't manage to miss that. Because of cable, I haven't fully unwrapped this keyboard yet. Oakley dokley. I consent on nothing. I'll keep it down here. I don't want to see my IP address, even though it changes every week. Oh. It's getting there, but it's not as good as the other one. I think the other one was 197. Obviously, upload speed will be full speed. Maybe it's just a rainy day and they both do the same. There is no signal status bar for me, so. But that's what you get. 183. 21. Right, let's plug the other one in without the antenna. Bloody hell, that step. Plug you back in. We're connected yet? Yep. Right, so it was 183.21. Let's do another one. Oh, so it was actually the server today. Right, so you're actually better off. Let's see what the upload is. Upload is on. You're actually better off getting the one with the antenna on for an extra 20 pence. So there you have it.